All right. Mike's good. We're going live, baby. Yo, Charlie and Sync, what's up? Welcome back. What is going on, guys? Welcome back. It is Monday. We had a great 4th of July weekend here in the United States. I think most of my community is in the United States, so happy Independence Day to all you guys, man. That was freaking awesome. It was a great weekend. Played a lot of music, man. I had 2 gigs this weekend, and they were both really cool. So that was fun. And oh, Taper Mike, how you doing, brother? Welcome back, my friend. Today I'm playing 1 minute against you guys. Oh, I gotta set my we have an arena up, and I am the first one to join the arena. It is in the pinned comments. It starts in 1 hour. It's a 30-minute arena. I'm gonna play you guys 1 minute chess for 1 hour. Let me go to my settings. I have to go to social because I mean very anti-social, guys. Social. Allow challenges. There we go. Tabor Mike, you want to send one, man? Challenge Rosewood Telly 1-0 unrated. I had to put the pinned comment for the arena to hype the arena, but I couldn't put pinned comment would be too long if I said challenge Rosewood Telly, so I put the little thing down there. All right, that's kind of cool, and I can just shut that off when I don't need it, man. That's the Manunu, guys. I think we're gonna try it like that. The coffee is up. We are going to go to the coffee cam and grab it. It takes. Well, I'm going to take you with me. Wait, that's the wrong scene. Wait a minute. What? We have an alert. AFM Kirby with the Prime. AFM Kirby, thank you so much, man. Kirby, you're pretty strong, right? Aren't you the you're the 1900 guy? Dude, we have a workshop on Saturday, and you qualify to come to it now. We can look at one of your games. You know, we could probably look at it together and maybe talk about it. Maybe we could learn something from it. But it's good to have better players in the workshop as well, because there's a lot of 800s and 1000s that could take some tips as we look at their games. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, Brakovich, how you doing, man? Dude, the gigs went great, man. The gigs went great. I played the telly all night on the country gig, and then for the rock and blues gig, I played the telly for the first 3 sets, and I busted out the Les Paul for the last set, or maybe the last 2 sets. I don't remember, but I know I played the Les Paul at the end, and that was fun. Yeah, so the gigs went great, man. The bands were killer. It was a lot of fun. I feel like I thought something was wrong with my amp, but I think it's the power at the first venue I played at. Some places the power is weird. Like your amp it'll be different, and it's not always the room either. I mean, of course, every room your amp will sound different in every room, but sometimes there's power that can cause a buzz, or it can just be, maybe, I don't know that much about power. I just know every time I play this one venue, my amp, it starts out okay, but as we go on through the night, it's rough. And then I come to this other venue that I play a lot too, and the amp was absolutely crushing it all night. It's an old amp, it's a 74. And I think it's got the old caps in it, still the originals, man, but they said they were fine. So I'm gonna need to have it worked on. Either way, guys, I'm getting a little technical here about the music stuff. Brakovich is here. He's a musician. He knows. Okay, we're gonna grab this coffee, guys. Well, come with me to the coffee cam. All right. I'll tell you another funny thing, too. I was going to bring my pedal board. AFM Kirby's Andy's 2,000, guys. 2,000 rated. That's probably his bullet rating, right? Yeah, it went good, man. I was going to bring my pedal board, which I don't normally bring. I'm that guy that plugs my Telecaster directly into the amp. And it just always sounds better than everyone else's because they're using a bunch of pedals. And that doesn't help. It makes it worse. But the thing that pedals do is they open up all kinds of creative things, right? Like different effects for different songs and stuff like that. It gives you a broader canvas. You plug the guitar straight in the amp, it's kind of a one-trick pony, but it's a cheat code. The guy from the Black Crowes said it best. Where's my... They asked the guitar player from the Black Crowes, like some guitar magazine, they're like, how do you get all those great guitar tones? He said, I'll tell you how. He said, you take a Fender guitar and you plug it into a Fender amp. That's the answer. It's a cheat code. Take a good Fender guitar and plug it into a good Fender amp and go on any stage and your guitar will sound better than the guy with the pedals. It's just weird. That's just my opinion, but if you ever did it, you'd understand what I'm talking about. But I don't have a big pedal board. This is my pedal board. Let me show you guys my pedal board. Whoa. I got like 4 pedals. This is a little, it's a clean boost. This is awesome. The white one's like a little distortion, but it's not real heavy distortion. The orange one is a phase shifter for my Waylon Jennings songs. And the pink one is a copy of the Pink Panther delay. That's a delay. So I thought, hey man, I'm doing the big rock gig. Bring the pedals, open up the sound a little bit, have some fun. And I was halfway to the gig, and I'm like, you forgot your pedal board. I was planning on bringing it, man. And so I'm like, well, you were 50-50 anyway on bringing it or not. So forget it. Charly Desync gets the first game, folks. 1 minute chess today. How did I do that? Charly Desync is like, I'm gonna resign. Charly Desync is the most underrated person in the world. Good game. The most underrated person in the world. He's rated 400. He's rated 400. It's amazing. Stagner, how you doing, man? Start time should be on the hour, man. Yeah, it says, let me see. This starts in 48 minutes, 37 seconds. How you doing, Stagner? You going to play the 1 minute arena? Fenders, the shizzle. Later, guys. Have fun. Brockovich, come back and see us, brother. AFM Kirby says you're 1800 and everything else. You think 2000 is a little inflated. Well, you got there, Kirby. Well, Anthony, what's up, dude? How you doing? You got there. You know what I'm saying? I remember when I broke 1700 in the United States Chess Federation, I was studying a lot, and I was coming up fast, but I hit 1700, and I talked to my friend. He's a master. Not FIDE Master David Bassett, but another guy, Jimmy Kwan, who Bassett knows. But Jimmy's passed away. He died too young. But I said, dude, I'm 1700. He said, oh, that's awesome, man. I said, yeah, but I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to hold the rating. He said, don't worry about it. He said, if you got 1700, then you're 1700. You know what I'm saying? He said, just keep studying, keep working, you know? And I went almost 300 points over that. Yeah. So if you got there, Kirby, you earned it. It's you. It's real. Some people are just a lot better. Dude, look at Daniel Naroditsky, right? He could compete with the top players in the world at Blitz and Bullet, but he could not compete with them in classical. You know what I mean? I mean, he could maybe get a draw from Magnus if they played enough games. He could get a draw. Only one challenge per. You're too good for me, Charlie, anyway. You're way too good. I can't. You're too much. You're not 400. You're freaking you're 1600. It's crazy. I don't know how you have a 400 rating. I don't get it. I played bad, but it's a 1 minute game. Hola. Hey, Ola. We got Ola playing some 1 minute chess here, folks. Hopefully Ola is not 1,000 points underrated. Ooh, we'll give this guy a Latvian gamma. See how it goes. Like, people that are rated 400 drop their pawn on their first move. That's what 400 is. I think you don't understand that. We go here. Just never seen anything like it. Maybe take? You know I'm taking with the pawn, right? This is a real game against 800. This guy's rated 800 in Bullet, and he's already almost all his time is gone because he's 800. The 400 was freaking outplaying me on the board and the clock. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, see, like this is what 800 does in Bullet. They drop a whole piece. This guy's twice the rating as Charly Desync. Twice, and they do stuff like this, right? This is what 800 does. This is chess. This is real chess. See? This is what 800 does. But the 400 plays like a 2000. Doesn't make sense, Charly Desync. It doesn't. I think you're severely underrated. Here, I guess. Okay. Here, I guess. Okay. Here, I guess. Okay. They drop rooks. They drop mates. That's what 800 player rated 800. Twice Charly Desync's rating. Drops mates, they drop pieces, they drop pawns repeatedly over and over again. And it's okay, Ola. Good game. Good game, Ola. That was a real game of chess. I appreciate it. Charly, do you think you... No, Charly. Yeah, no. So, anyway... Next game. Someone challenged me 1 minute unrated. Yeah, so the music was great this weekend. My amp sounded great the second night. It sounded okay the first night. I feel like toward the end it started getting... It's almost like the amp gets tired. Rhodes, how you doing, man? Ola. I'll give Ola a rematch because Ola is not grossly underrated. He plays like an 800 does, playing Bullet. Here we go. He's probably going to step it up now. And he should. Because he should learn how low he was on time. Okay, just developing. Okay, just coming back to my home, right? Castling. There we go. The knight goes back to its home. Right? We kind of want to start doing stuff, so I guess we'll do this. Then we'll do this, because his king's in the middle, might as well. Okay, we'll take a bishop because it's a bishop. Then we'll play b5. And then we'll start breaking them open. Same way. Yeah, I thought he could do that, but then I thought I could do this. Okay, there's going to be things to answer for here. There's going to be a lot of things to answer for here. We just wait. We let him spend all that time with this pawn, and then we just push. Yeah, he's doing great, though. You're doing great, dude. Ola, you're going to be a great chess player, man. Bullet is just fun. Bullet is simply a fun thing that we do. I just take the piece. I guess take the next piece. I guess, bring the rook. I can't even see where he can go. Where can he even go? Oh, he could take the pawn. He could take here. I guess this was his only move. You had this, and then I think this is probably mating. Yeah. Dude, Ola, good game. Good game, man. You can't find the option to challenge me. Not a hater. You want to challenge Rosewood Telly. It says it right here. You go to, I think you go to search, and you search for my name. Rosewood Telly, one word. You'll see it printed right below. And then challenge me. And you can add me as a friend, too. As a matter of fact, I have a friend request right now. Arnaviz Noob Pro. Okay, so Noob Pro, Arnaviz. I don't know what that is. Is that a... I can't tell if that's A-R. Either way, Arnaviz Noob Pro. We are now friends, not Real Fisher. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. I couldn't remember it. Oh, Kirby, guys. We're playing Kirby right now. Kirby's strong. We gotta play quick, guys. Bring a rook, I guess. Yeah, Queen F7 was probably better. You could take that. I like squares. Hair. I guess here. He's got too many pawns, folks. Yeah. Good game, man. That was a good game. That was a good game. Why did you resign when it would have been a draw by instant material in 2 moves? Because you're way too good for me, Charlie. I'm telling you. I don't want to talk about it. I'm getting bored with you. You're like you're so ridiculously underrated. I can't even talk to you. Yeah. I can't even talk to you. Okay, Maplewood Strat. Oh, it's one of us. This is one of us. We got a 1-minute game. What happened to Maplewood Strat? What happened to Maplewood Strat? Dude. Well, you kept giving me everything at the end. I just started attacking your punch and let me take them all. I got lucky at the end. 86%? That's not bad, man. That's not bad for a bullet game. How'd you do, though? Yours was probably lower because you gave me all those pawns at the end. Maplewood Strat. Here we go, folks. Maplewood Strat coming at you with a D4 maneuver. There we go. Why do I hear 2 boards? I hear 2 boards. I hear multiple boards. There's only 1 board open. Gives me. Remember, guys, the guy playing right now literally is rated 300. Dude, you played so good. You played so good. And then it just falls apart because it's 1 minute. Yeah, you did really good, dude, for 300. It's fun to play bullet, but man, it's probably more fun to play with people like similar ratings. You know what I'm saying? Can you believe how fast they attack this compared to you? They're just all there, man. Everything's just there. Who watched the Naroditsky Memorial, man? That was freaking awesome. Dude, the content this weekend for chess was amazing. Charlotte Chess Center, chess.com, and everybody did like such amazing work, man. Dude, it's like you're watching all your favorite players, and they're all there. Hey, here we go. I can't even tell if that's an R and an N next to each other or M. Amav is Noob Pro. 1800, guys. We're playing 1800. This guy's very strong. He's strong like bullies from the great country of India. Bring it anyway. Like, here maybe. Oh, he does that way. You love to see it, folks. You love to see the squares available to the family. Okay, well, I gave up that light square. That kind of sucked. I gave up my bishop. What'd he do? He attacks my queen. Rude! My rook was hanging the whole time. I could have took that rook. I should have took that rook. Ah! I didn't see what he did! Oopsie. I set this mate up. I did set the mate up, guys. I set it up for earlier position. Yeah, it's a really, really big threat. You challenge Rosewood Telly right here. And the pinned comment shows you how to join our arena that starts in 33 chess.com minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Back here, guys. Back here. When I put the bishop on this square, I was doing it to where so I could like do a thing, but I wanted to do it so bad I didn't look at his move, and I lost my queen. So then he checks me, so I'm like, okay, well, it's still mate if I can get it, as long as he doesn't see it. All he had to do was like stop the mate. All he had to do was stop the mate, and then I'm just busted. Yeah, but he didn't see it, and he had enough time. He was low on time. That was a good game, dude. Dude, this is killing me. Arnavision Noob Pro, or Arnaviz Noob Pro. I don't know what it means though. Tell me what your name means. Which chat are you watching, brother? Yeah, you were 84. Yeah. It was from all those free pawns you gave me at the end, I think. Trade Quest Gaming is live. Oh man, that's a hard ban, bro. Dude. You know what? I'm gonna go to that gaming place that you are self-promoting, and I'm gonna block him too, so I never have to see his content either. Yeah. No, you come in and say hi first if you want to. If anyone wants to promote anything on my channel, talk to me. Oh, this guy gets a rematch. Noob Pro, you get a rematch for sure. Because he's 1800, I got him with a cheapo, guys. Well, no, I really set up a real thing. I have a phone call I have to take, guys, but I'm going to finish this game because it's bullet chess. I should have come to this square. Look at the bishop, guys. Look at the bishop's work. Look at the bishop's work. It's evil. The bishop is doing evil work, guys. Evil work. What'd he do? Brings the knight, attacking my bishop. Yeah, it's probably a really good move. We keep it? I think we keep it. Okay, that's probably a good move. I guess we got a sack now. Oh, he could have took my queen, but he didn't. And come here, hit the knight. Hit the queen. That's a beautiful thing, that move. Oh, okay. I guess we go check. Or it's not check. I'm still on a rook. Take again. That worked out pretty good, guys. We can't get mated like I got mated, guys. This pawn, please. And he got me on time. I was thinking too hard. He crushed me on time, guys. So if you think that was even close, that was not close, guys. That was not close. In a 1 minute game, 23 seconds to 0, it's not even close. 1 second, I got to see who that was. Guys, I'm gonna put you on coffee cam for 1 minute. I have to make a. I'll be back in 1 minute, guys, and then we're gonna continue our 1 minute chess. I'll be right back. Not kidding. 1 minute. back. I told you guys, I told you 1 minute. Did I tell you 1 minute? Dude, good game, man. Arnavis Noob Pro. I don't know how to say your name. Yeah. Landstar, send it, brother. It says right here how to send it. Challenge Rosewood Telly 1 minute unrated. We could be playing right now. Yeah. Oopsie, yeah, you completely missed it. Okay. Yeah, so that's you. What is your, Not a Hater. I love your name too, Not a Hater. What a great name. We need more names like Not a Hater. Like we need more meats on a stick. We need more names like Not a Hater. You like donuts? I like donuts too. I remember you, brother. Donuts is our password on Elden Ring, man. Yeah, because I like donuts. Spelt the same way. Not donuts, not D-O-U-G-H or whatever. Donuts, D-O-N-U-T-S, guys. Not dog nuts or donut with the... We need to be like you. No, Not a Hater. You are spreading... You know what Not a Hater means? It means... I don't hate you. I don't hate you too. I think some of you guys know what that's from. Right? Not a Hater. That's basically spreading love. That's great. Yeah, you're the anti-hater. You're against hate. That's good, dude. That's a great name. Now I feel like a loser. I need to change my name to something like more positive. I mean, Rosewood Telly is my guitar, okay? But still, Not a Hater's good, man. You love to see it. What is that? Oh yeah, that was a spammer. Okay, let me see. Ooh, it starts in 41 minutes. Is it how can it start in 41 minutes? Oh, that's an old alert. No, yeah, it is an old alert. Tournament starts not the tournament, the arena. The woman arena starts in 25 minutes, guys. Pinned comment. If you already shut the pinned comment off, you can probably just refresh and you'll get the pinned comment. You got to join Chess Chillers. That's a free club on chess.com. You just join our club. We have how many dude. How many clubs? How many do we have, guys? 1,222 members, dude. That's a huge club. That's a big club. I mean, okay, Hikaru's club may be a little bit bigger. But that's a big club on chess.com. You guys are killing it. You were gone for a moment. Hi again. Welcome back. I like donuts. I like donuts too. Now, like Not a Hater. Yeah, so Not a Hater. What does your name mean on chess.com? This not noob pro or whatever it is. What does it mean? What does it mean? Maybe we can do some chess.com sleuthing work, and we can look at your profile and see what it means. Oh, I got it. We're gonna have a delay. Oh, I got it. They got me on. That's my streamer page, guys. Guys, I'm a chess.com official streamer, and I am going to hold off on releasing any news, but I will tell you guys that I applied for a job. You suck at joining the arena. Why, Daniel? It's not hard. You're a chess chiller on chess.com. Go to Chess Chillers. You'll see the arena. Click join. You're in. It's just like the tournament. It's the same formula. I applied for a job that will not take away from my streaming. And as a matter of fact, it will help my streaming, believe it or not. And it's more chess. You're like, what is this job that pays money? What? Yeah, it's weird. When we get more information, guys, when I get the job, I'll tell you guys what it is. I don't want to spoil it, guys. Cool. Yeah, so you're a noob and pro both. So Arnav. Oh, and is Arnav your name? Is Arnav your name? Arnav is noob pro. And your name is Arnav. Does that make sense? Did I solve it? No, he gave me the answer. Dude. Yeah, you got solid ratings, man. 1,700, 1,800 across the board, dude. What are you trying to be like Gukesh or something? Can you guys believe Sindarov, man? Sindarov's a beast, guys. Sindarov won the candidates, which is like... First off, it's impossible to do. No one can win the candidates. It just ends up that somebody ends up winning it. But no one can walk in and win it. Bobby could walk in and win it. Magnus could walk in and win it. Gary could walk in and win it. Only the great world champions could walk into a candidates and win it. And even then, it's still no guarantee. It's very difficult. So when you get the top players in the world, man, Hikaru and Fabi are there, and they're the favorites by rating. Sindarov just freaking crushed the candidates. So now he gets to play Gukesh for the world championship. And then he did good over the weekend. He won like the he won the Rapid or something, right? Or he won the Blitz on the last day or something. Sindarov played the candidates like Magnus. And what about that kid? Well, you're smart. I'm not smart. You gave me the answer. I was pretending I solved it. I didn't solve anything. The kid. What's that kid's name, guys? Watch. We can't. Events. All the events, they don't have... Okay, here we go. Narodiska Memorial. This kid... What was his name? I'll tell you his name because he's going to be in one of the games here. Ethan Sheehan. Ethan Sheehan. He is not even an international master. His rating is 2,400 and something. And he was in the Blitz final with Boris Gelfand. If you don't know who he is, Boris Gelfand, I don't think he was world champion. But and I'm not even sure if he played for a world championship. But he would be like back when Kasparov was world champ, he would be equivalent to Fabi or Hikaru right now. That's how strong Boris Gelfand was. He was like probably top 3 for sure. Sam Sevian, great grandmaster. I totally hung out with him in St. Louis. Well, we talked about my chess game, okay? This guy, Vasif Durabayli from the great country of Azerbaijan. There's something in the water over there. This guy is just a grandmaster, and he just happened to do very well in the Blitz, and he got into the finals. Wesley So, Andy Woodward, and this kid Ed Sheehan was everyone in these finals was a grandmaster, except for this kid Ethan Sheehan, who wasn't even an international master. This Mudakin guy, haven't heard of him. Seaman Kanin, haven't heard of him. And Hikaru Nakamura and Sindarov. Those were all the people in the tournament. You've got like the second rated in the world, and you've got the candidate. And the crazy thing is, in this tournament that Hikaru played, Boris Gelfand's a legend. He played. Sindarov, a candidate, played. This kid, Ethan Sheehan, got 3rd place out of 9 people. 3rd place out of 10 people. Yeah. 2416 is his rating. That's insane. That's insane. You should have seen it. Dude, did you see the interview with him? He's such a kid. He's literally more like a little boy than a young man. I mean, he's got braces, and he's just kind of he's young. He's young. Seems like he has a really good heart, and this guy wasn't scared. And like, wait! I forgot to mention, was this the one that? Okay, Ponomarov did not play in this Blitz tournament, or he didn't qualify. Sani Sanin, oof. 1 minute unrated gets the game, folks. He gets the game. Sani Sanin, good luck. Play well, play fast. Wow, he had Queenie too, and I couldn't interpose. What's he rated? 358. I'm like, why is he giving me all the stuff, guys? He's giving me all the Amigos stuff. You give me too many Amigo things, brother. It's an idea. I don't need that pawn. I need stuff. I need stuff. Well, now he's getting a little bit of play, guys. He's getting a little bit of play. That freaking knight was hanging! Dude, that was a good game, dude. That was a good game. But see, that's like what a 350, 400 player plays like. Not like the guy that I played at the beginning. Yeah, that guy's he's insanely underrated. Insanely. It's the only way to explain it. There's no other reasonable explanation. Yeah, oh, this kid had a great tournament. He locked in for the moment. He did. Well, he also showed that he probably has a good future in his future. I'm going to take Not a Hater again because we are 1-1. This is for the World Championship, Not a Hater. I had to, guys. I had to. I'm doing everything to get this in. I'm doing everything to get it in. That was bad. Got him on time. I'm the world champion, brother. Not a hater. I got past you. I got past him, folks. I took care of like Sindara. Or like Ethan. Dude, Ethan's a beast. I want to be like him. I'm the world champion. Hey, you can play me in the tournament tomorrow or Wednesday. Or you can play me in 3 Minute on Thursday. Or you can get your chances to get it back, okay? But we might not be able to play 3 games. So our 1 Minute World Championship match it can be a weekly thing, brother. We can do it next week. Never ending story song. If you don't know, then listen after the stream. You will like, it's my guarantee. Well, you are hidden from my channel forever. The funny thing is, I don't even know if he was self-promoting or not, but he came in and didn't say hi and spammed the same thing 3 times in a row, telling people to go listen to a song. Yeah, that's a hard ban. I don't have time for it. I don't have time for it, folks. What do we got here? When's the tournament start? Or the arena? Oh, the arena's growing, folks. We got AFM Kirby at 2051. Not a hater. Arnav is Noob Pro at 1872. Myself at 1664. Olot 802. And Charlie the D-Sync. Charlie D-Sync, I'm done with you, brother. You don't understand. I don't think he understands. Yeah. Hold on one second, guys. We gotta do the naughty, man. We gotta do the naughty. Yes, chillers. I'm not gonna show you. I don't want to show you guys the sausage, guys. You can't see the sausage. Where is it again? Let me see. Manage. club audit log. Invite members. How come there's no like new not clean? It's not invite members. Club audit log maybe? Okay, all logs. Those are. Wait for it. How do I search? Club settings? Club settings? No. Guys, I gotta figure out how to block someone from the club, man. Can you believe that, like, I don't know how to do this? Club settings. Is there a thing for members? Ooh, about club members. Search. Yeah, and I will say this. There's no hard feelings, but I believe in my heart. I mean, maybe I'm a crazy person, but I believe in my heart that not only have I seen this person before, but they're just I just can't. I can't. I'll tell you what I tell other people is go back and get your rating right, and then come back with another account. This one. No. Oh, I got to do it here. There it is. There we go. Okay, that should have solved it. It should have solved it. Let me try another one here. Don't understand. Is it already, Dude, it sucks having to do this stuff on the fly, man, but I don't know any other way to, I don't think I can have moderators moderate my, chess.com in real time. You know what I'm saying? And it's something that if I don't do this now, I'm going to be going nuts. I'm going to be going nuts. I think I figured it out, guys. I just got to get there one more time. One more time. It was club settings, members, search members. Well, I think he's gone. I think it's gone, so we'll see. All right, I think I come back to chess, guys. Yeah, no, it's still there, man. Still there. Still there, guys. Why? Why? I know I all of a sudden turned into a boring streamer because I had to do some housekeeping, guys. Housekeepers. Hey, guys, join the arena. It starts in 8 chess.com minutes, man. You too can be the arena champ. And you know, last time I was pretty casual when the arena was going on. You know, AFM Kirby, I'm keeping an eye on everybody. If you think they're not, the thing to do is report them, but it's better if we don't call them out in chat. You know what I'm saying? Not the real Fisher. Maybe he is the real Fisher. Maybe he is the real Fisher, because that's his name, not the real Fisher. It's a trick. Maybe he is the real Bobby Fischer, and he's alive because we thought he was dead. He faked. Okay, hear me out. This is totally possible. He freaking fakes his own death. I just don't understand why it can't. Oh, okay, I think I get it now. I think I get it now. So now I just got to come here. I think I get it now. I get it now. I think I understand. Oh, but yeah, but wow, dude. What a tricky little SOB. Charlie, get out of my arena, man. Let me see. My online. I can only do, yeah, see, he's having fun, but I can't ban him from the arena because I think he left the club or something. You know what I'm saying? It's like, how do you ban someone from an arena, from your page if they didn't join the page? I think he joined the page, he got in the arena, but I don't know how to get rid of it. I can, however, for my own personal goodness, I can. There we go. All right. And yeah, like I said, man, it's nothing personal, brother. I say this to everybody, even people that cheat, like Bozo Chess. I liked Bozo Chess, guys. Bozo Chess was 2,300, and he got banned for fair play. Okay. You know, if Bozo Chess is watching, dude, don't cheat at chess. Get another account, come back with a different name. We'll never know, and you can be part of the community, right? And I'll say that with the same guy that I'm talking to right now, and that is, don't come and play like a 2,400 when you're rated 400. Get your rating to where it's supposed to be. Because you're very, 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 very ridiculously underrated. And to maintain the integrity of the tournament, it is my responsibility when someone is that underrated that we tell them, go get your rating right. Don't do it here. Yeah. Justice Square says, Charlie, I love you, bro. Huh? Such a good dude. Dude, I'm trying. No, I'm not talking about him. Not in Iceland. Wait. Yeah, I think Fisher was alive in Cyprus till 2020, then he died there. I thought Fisher died in Iceland because I believe he's buried there. And he was in trouble. I think Fisher went to Iceland. Fisher was wanted by the United States of America, believe it or not. But he was also a national champion. He did something, I don't know, some small crime called like trading with the enemy or something. It's like when we have sanctions against somebody, we're not going to get political right now, or we're at war with somebody or something. You can't do business with them because it could help them. And we're not trying to help them. We're trying to say we're not on good terms with you right now. And he went and played a $5 million prize fund rematch with Boris Spassky. And I think he did it like was it in Croatia? It was somewhere over there. Somewhere where he wasn't allowed to be taking money from. And he went there and he had a letter. He had a letter from the United States telling him not to play. And he spit on it. So he kind of made his own bed. Because maybe they could get him, show me the man, show me the crime, right? They can get him on anything they want to get him on. So maybe he didn't pay some taxes from 1974. Seriously. And so he was wanted by the United States, but we didn't really have any reason to arrest him. Well, somehow he was traveling through Japan, and Japan threw him in jail. They grabbed him and threw him in jail. And I don't know who used who for a pawn. He kind of got used as a pawn for something. And Japan said, we'll let him go if blah, blah, blah. I don't remember the exact pawn leverage that they wanted. I just know that Fisher, I believe, was in a Japanese jail. And he got released, and Iceland said they would take him. Bobby Fischer was very beloved in the United States for being a national champion, for defeating the Russian Empire at chess, which they dominated forever. And so he was like a national hero. But he also played that match against Spassky. He played in Iceland. And the Icelandic chess people loved it, and it was it was held that historic match, dude. There is no match. There is no World Chess Championship match that it has near as much notoriety, that is near as notable as Fischer Spassky 72. And so the Icelandic people love Bobby Fischer. And so they said, we'll take Bobby Fischer. He can't come back to America. They pretty much have to put him in jail. I mean, they could try to work something out, but you know what I'm saying? And he's so mentally ill, he wouldn't be able to make a deal. He wouldn't be able to freaking yeah. There's no negotiating with Bobby Fischer at this point. So he went to Iceland and he did a couple of interviews and things from there, and he did not look okay. He talked about how he hated chess and everything, and he died. He died in Iceland. And if you ever go to Iceland, you got to get a picture at his grave. Yeah, he went down a dark spiral. Props him for making chess 960, though. Yeah. Fischer Random Chess. If you want to respect Bobby Fischer, it's Fischer Random Chess. Yeah. I read a lot of books. Not a hater. I read a lot of books, man. If you haven't heard, guys, I'm a chess enthusiast. I'm not just faking it here. I'm a real chess enthusiast. Like, I watched as much chess this weekend as I could from the Naroditsky Memorial thing. I will literally just be like, washing dishes, and I'll be like, that one line in the Sicilian, I never know what to do in that line, and I'll come over here and I'll go 5 or 6 moves deep into this line, and I'll look at it, and then I'll look at a couple games, see what grandmasters do, and I'll try and get better at chess just off random stuff. Dude, today, you know what? I have a goal to do every lesson on chess.com. It's a dumb goal. It's a lofty goal, and I'm not working that hard at it. But today I just did like 5 or 6 more lessons today. I'm still toward the beginning of the lesson, so I can pretty much bang them out. They're almost like doing Puzzle Rush. You know what I mean? But I want to do them all. I want to get to the end and be like, you are a lesson master. You have completed every lesson in the world. Guys, get to your boards. Refresh your... All right, guys. We got a real game here. We got a real player here, guys. This guy's not screwing around. Not a hater. Get to your board. What'd he do? I didn't hear it. Not a hater is not very good at end games in Bullet. He just keeps like he dropped that pawn. I mean, I didn't take it, but he did drop it. He should have came with the rook, man. Oh my God! Now I'm talking smack and I'm getting crushed. Dude, I gotta turn my volume up. Got him! Dude, good game, man. Good game, not a hater. Dude. That was freaking awesome. This place is freaking awesome! Alright, guys, next game. Ain Griffin, 2700. There's no way. How are you 2,700? I literally blundered because he's 2,700. I didn't hear him move. Oopsie. Now he's like, I'll just win on time because I'm 2,700. And because I can't hear him move. Shut the heater, the AC up. He resigned! There's no way. I beat a 2,700, guys. Oh my God. What a game. You know why I beat him? Because I played so bad. The position was weird. And then this move just happened to be here. 2,700? And Griffin, who are you, brother? We gotta check this guy out, man. It's a pretty new account. Joined in May. Yeah, man. Dude, good game in Griffin. Very strong like a bull. Next game, how are you so strong like a bull? How's he so strong, guys? 2,700. Who's even... is anyone even 2,700? Dave Joyce, thank you for the 50 stars. I'm sorry, it's in the middle of a sentence. Dave Joyce, I saw you. Thank you for the stars, Dave Joyce. Guys, Dave Joyce with the 50, man. Thank you, Dave Joyce. Maybe I'll hear it now. Daniel, let's go, brother. You should have your prep by now, Daniel. I beat FM like this. Be careful. Good. Whew. You saw the pin as soon as you... News and games, that's you? Dude, 2,700, bro. What is even going on? How do you become 2,700? I want to be 2,700. Oh, this could be a problem, Daniel. Good game, brother. What do you do? Brings the queen. Don't take the queen, guys. Take the checkmate. Good game, dude. Good game, good game, good game. Yeah. Next game. Ooh, I'm on a streak, bro. We got Kirby. My pawn. How do you defend the pawn, guys? Wow. I don't know how to defend that pawn. I guess just like this, maybe? That's not it. Come here. It's a move. I don't know if it's a good move, but it's your move. I was just trying to get out of the way for stuff. Whoa, he had me, guys. He had me. The streak lives, guys. Kirby went down. I'm crushing it, folks. I'm crushing it. Next arena game. But I may have some quick resigns, guys, so we don't know yet. Oh, we got this guy again. This guy's good, man. I dropped my... It doesn't work, guys. It doesn't work! Back rank mate. He didn't see it. He saw it now. He didn't see it. Oh, God. He's got way too much time, guys. Here it comes! Here it comes. En passant, no? God, good game, dude. Good game. I fought as hard as I could. Arnav is pro. Oh, I gotta shut my challenges off. I'm not taking challenges right now. We're doing an arena Newt Lord. Yeah, Bullet, it's not so hard. Yeah, okay. I want to read that comment because that's a 2700. Give me the lessons, guys. Darn it! I blundered, man. I'm supposed to take first. This is so bad. I'm running like the wind to be free again, guys. How did you even see that, guys? How did you even see it? I didn't see that either. Did I beat Kirby? Is Kirby mad at me? Kirby's playing like he's mad at me, bro. I'm gonna resign. Kirby, dude, yours crushing me. Okay, yeah. News and Game said, yeah, Bullet, it's not so hard. You just have to play faster. Time controls. Finally, LOL. Dude, good game, dude. Good game. Good game. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. We play guitar, we play chess. We play games like Elden Ring and other games like that after dark on YouTube and Twitch. But we do have the Facebook stream going live because we started chess on Facebook and we're going to finish chess on Facebook, man. 5 years ago. Here we go, folks. We're back in. It won't let me resign. I want to let me resign. I want to let me resign. After move 10. How many moves is that? That's 10 moves. All right, next game. I'm still winning, guys. I can win with the handicap next arena game. Okay. This guy's going so fast. Here. That's a good move. I wanted to do stuff, but I can't. Ugh. I forgot that can move backwards, guys. Well, I beat the 2700 2 games in a row. And Griffin, I don't understand what's going on here. Oh my god, how I beat guys. I beat him twice, dude. He's probably chilling out a little bit. It's unrated. He's having fun. You know what I'm saying? You know, if we were playing rated, he probably wouldn't be playing it because he wouldn't be risking his life, right? His hard-earned rating points. AFM Kirby passed me, bro. Oh man, I have to do it again. Okay, next game, guys. Next game. There has to be a freaking way, man. I don't understand it. This one, view. But there's nothing I can do. Yeah, it's crazy. I will get it figured out later, folks. Back to the games. Next game. The streaks are going to be hard to keep, guys. Hey, we got Kuro Lord. Hey, he's the guy that we just talked about. And now I'm playing his game. This is horrible. Knight C3 is better. This is a Panopotnovic attack. Is this right? I don't remember. Well, now we have the hanging pawns. Yeah. Just come back into your home. Ooh. It's a bullet game, man. I probably should have sacked. I think I should have sacked. Dude, Kurort Lord. Good game, brother. He's from Germania, guys. He's from Germany. That's amazing. Next game. Next Amigo game, folks. I'll probably get AFM Kirby again or something. Waiting. I just turned the AC back on, but it's going to be too loud. Now I have to really watch the board so I can see when he moves. Oh, okay. I guess I got to do that then. Just do it. Just go. Just go, man. That's an interesting maneuver. Here. Ah! Kirby, no! No, Kirby. All right, good sir. I must go. You'll pop in. Hey, man. Dude, news and games. Thank you for the games, brother. Thank you for the games. Next game. Hola! I get to play Hola! E4, we play E5. We play F5. Takes, we push. Bang, bing. There we go. And then we come here to stop the check. Then we go here. Then we go here. And my pawn's protected, so I'm okay. Guys, I wanted this piece so bad. I want it for free. Why am I so greedy? Why am I so greedy? He wants to bring the knight back, except I'm controlling squares. Here, maybe look at the pawn. I don't know. I gotta move. I saw the pawn falling, but I didn't know what to do. What'd he do? Dude, I can't see any of the moves, bro. Dude, you understand I had mate, and I moved, and I let go. Now, I understand that the milliseconds, the 20 milliseconds it took for chess.com to get that information, but I came here and let that rook go on my end. I did. And then, that's mate, and I saw the mate. I saw the mate back here. And now I'm like, it's mate and one. He says to give me the mate. Where's my mate? Where's my mate? I thought he was going to try and do this, but he couldn't. I thought he was going to try and pin the bishop or something, but it would still be mate. He just has to, like, get out. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Ola, good game, dude. Good game. Ola is crushing it. All right, guys. We had a real crazy game here. You know what's cool about the arena? It will help, get your openings attacked and challenged. Uh-oh. Just move! Oh, I didn't see that. Okay. That was probably dumb. It's weird, huh? I just wasn't even close. Way up on time. Good game, mate. Good game, brother. Yeah. Bro, this is tough. Dude! Daniel, son, how you doing? Do you have any points yet? Dude, you're doing great, Daniel. You know what you're getting? You're getting 1 minute experience against, like, the lowest rated guy is above you is like almost twice your rating, and then everyone else is just way over you, brother. And it's tough, but you know what, if you enjoy doing this, Daniel, and you play 1 minute from the pool, you'll get lower rated players, and then you'll win some games, you know. But this kind of tells you how fast you have to go, right? But you're not going to be able to go from 0 to 60 in one 30-minute arena. How much time is left? There's only 1 minute left. Oh no, 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. How am I doing here? Yeah. I think due to the situation, guys, I think I might observe some games. Nah, we'll try another game. Let's go. Let's do this. See. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not gonna play the arena because I couldn't figure out how to resolve this scenario. So we are going to observe AFM Kirby. Okay. Oh, look at the checkmate. Okay, this is AM Kirby versus Charly the Desync. Charly the Desync got a bunch of free games against me, to be honest with you, but it's not rated, so I wasn't doing ratings manipulation, guys. Twitch, we are at 692. How do we creep closer to 700? Well, I got an idea. Hit the follow button, if you would. I stream chess 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday, with the best community in the world, the Chillers, with the fastest growing platforms across all platforms. Was that redundant? Ruby? She can't control what I say, guys. She tries. Dude, I was watching old... What were they? Were they old TikToks? Were they old Instagram Reels? Maybe they were old Instagram Reels. I was watching old Instagram Reels last night, man. I just would go to my profile, and I just scroll all the way to the oldest ones. And it was funny, man. It was funny, dude. It's kind of fun to watch that stuff. You can see them on Facebook, too, or... I mean, like, on Facebook, or like, my old Reels up. We'll see if we can pull them up. And the arena's almost over, guys. And then we're going to, let me be sure I'm on Charly Sardo Gaming. Then I think I can show you guys this. I mean, I don't know, everybody else does. I'm not trying to show you the whole thing anyway, but... see, if I go to Reels, it calls everything a Reel now. Everything is a Reel. My 4-hour-long chess streams in horizontal format are literally called Reels on Facebook. So what you don't like, I don't understand Facebook, what they're doing with this. I don't understand why they thought this was a good idea. I'm trying to go old, guys. I'm trying to go old. We had the there's just so much stuff here. Because I think though Instagram and Facebook, especially Facebook will have the oldest content available that I have created, because I was posting on Facebook longer. See, like how old? That's Elden Ring Shadow of the Erd Tree reveal. How long's Shadow of the Erd Tree been out, guys? Yeah, like this one right here. These right here with the girls. Man, I'm trying to get the chess workshop up over here, and I think my employees are arguing in a video call. Let's listen in.
Oh, chess, huh? I bet your moves are as outdated as that pantsuit.
Your tattoos are the only thing making...
These are my AI employees, guys.
Ladies, stop.
I was watching that stuff last night. It's freaking hilarious, man. Such a dork. Such a dork. Okay. Oh, man. Who's ready to play some 1 minute, guys? There's 1 minute left on this. We're not gonna get coffee, we're gonna get water. We're gonna get water, guys. We gotta put the coffee away. The coffee's getting cold and it's old. All right, guys. Sorry, I was AFK when it ended. Draw by stalemate. Okay. Dude, there's a big storm out there. AFM Kirby, first place. Congratulations. Arne Viz, Noob Pro, second place. And third place, rated 400. Is Charlie the Desync. Finished ahead of me at 1664. Corrit Lord at 893. Twice his rating. And Griffin 2702, he hung out for a minute. Ola 802. Couldn't hang with the 464, bro. This happened in our tournament too. Actually, it was the same guy. In Rapid, yeah. Monkind 41. He's rated 334, so you know, yeah, that's pretty rough. Good job for playing though, man. Now I'll tell you guys, all you low-rated players, what you want to do is definitely play the tournament on Wednesdays, because that's 10-minute with a 5-second increment. That's what you want to do. Yeah. He's a little bit low-rated at 400, huh? No, he's 2400. Bill Stevens, what are you doing, Bill? Bill, how does the audio sound? Last week, they told me the music was quiet. So I turned it up. And then I felt like they said my voice was fine, but the music was quiet. See, like right now, I feel like my voice might even be clipping a little bit. I'm seeing red. So I'm going to bring the voice down just a hair. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. If I yell and it clips, it's like, that's yelling, right? What's the mix look like, Bill Stevens? Curious. Alexander Machine. Oh, I gotta set my. Wait, you know what? I think I'm already available to get what do you call them? Challenges. All settings. I think my challenges are open, right? Social distancing. Allow challenges. Yeah, guys, shoot me some 1 minute. We can play some 1 minute 1v1s now. It sounds fine. Cool. Thank you. You can hear the music? Yeah. That's good. That would be a good thing. Dude, the weekend was great, Bill Stevens. It was great. It was great. I had so much fun. They're all a few of the guys are acquaintances, or kind of I consider them friends. And then one of the guys in the band is like a close friend, the guy that like gave me the guitars on the wall and stuff. And I consider them friends. And then so I got to play guitar with some pretty cool cats. The crowd was good. The sound was good. Best monitor I've ever had at that club. And oh, believe me, I told the sound man about it. Yeah. Yes. 1,000,000%, Bill Stevens. Yeah. His name was Bam, too. Bam. And I think his name was Bam. Dude played great. Real nice cat. Paid attention. That's the thing about me. I appreciate. Oh, Alex's Store Machine. 1 minute, unrated. Let's go! Get your board! Something wrong? Oh, okay, it doesn't start until he moves. Alex Storm Machine, get to your Storm Machine. How are you? Is your name Storm Machine when there's a big storm coming right now? Yeah, it was. Okay, he's back in. Here we go. You can't move? He challenged me again, but he's still not moving, guys. He moved? Dude, I can't hear him move. I'm my queen, so that'll be bad. This would be the craziest. Oh man, that would have been the coolest mate. Dude, I wanted Alex. Good game, dude. Oh, 668, dude. You played really good, dude. I wanted this checkmate right here. What could he move? Look at that checkmate. That would have been cool. That would have been freaking crazy. Good game, man. Good game. Yeah, okay, you're Alexander Machine. Very good, Alexander. Good game, dude. Dude, you played way better in 668, but you played like a 668. That was a real game of chess. Thank you for that. Everyone doesn't do that every time. Yeah. Good game, dude. Someone else send one, man. Send it. Send it, folks. The Daniel Naroditsky Memorial Tournament was so good, guys. I tried to get there. I wanted to go so bad. I ended up getting gigs for the weekend. Once I realized that I couldn't go, then I took a couple gigs for the weekend. But boy, next year I would love to go to that thing. I'm gonna try again, man. I'm gonna try again. We're just gonna have another year in, you know, and get over there, because that was, dude, the love. Did you watch a bunch of that, Bill Stevens? The love. It's such a crime. You don't know how many times I've been to memorials when someone passes away, and then someone that everybody just loved, and then they come together for this person, and they have this amazing thing that the only bad thing about it is that the person couldn't be there. The person, man. Catbox Paradox with the follow, getting us closer. Thank you, Catbox Paradox. It's just a crime that, Don, you couldn't have been there to see everybody, how many people showed up out of love and respect for him. You watched much of it on the back of the tour bus. That's awesome. Watermelon has been so good this week. Tomatoes as well. Love this time of year. Dude, that's good, man. Catbox Paradox, no NP. Thank you, dude. Thank you. You want to play 3 minute? Danielson, 3 minute. I can't do 3 minute because everyone's going to do 3 minute. And it'll be anarchy. I can only do 1 minute right now. We'll do 3 minute on Thursday. 3 minute Thursday. You fought for the initial crazy bishop trick. I never do that. Yeah. I just went for it right out of the gate, man. In a 1 minute game, that could happen. You know what I'm saying? In a 1 minute game, that could happen. Yeah. Good tournament, guys. That was fun. Good arena. What? Did someone just do a flow state? Thank you for the flow state. Flow state for 200 joules. Thank you, Alexander. Thank you very much, man. Dude, Bill Stevens, there's a guy, he's a streamer named Z-Laner. I don't know if you're hip to him. He streams on, well, he used to stream on Facebook, and I don't know if he even streamed on, I think he might have been Facebook exclusive. He was like a Facebook gaming partner and stuff, kind of like Stone Mountain 64. Then they kind of started spreading out, like probably around when I did, maybe a little bit before I did. But Z-Laner is he's really good at first-person shooter games and stuff. The dude sings real good. That's why I stopped playing Scandinavian. It's too hard to hang the queen on that side of the board. Well, the thing is, this move is not the mainline move. It's a move. Queen d6 is a move, but is this not the best move? Let's get a little Scandi info. Let's get a little Scandi info, guys. And even when they play Queen a5, Bishop d2 is not the move. Z-Laner with Z-L-A-N-E-R. Laner. Like one who lanes. Like Penny Lane. One who Penny lanes. Z-Laner. And he sings pretty good, dude. Like, you could hire him. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, brother. No 10 minute today. No 10 minute today. If you want to play me 10 minute, you could try me some 10 minute with a 5-second increment on our weekly tournament on Wednesdays. Okay, Tahal. He might have go. He sent me a 1 minute. Cool. But yeah. Like you could hire him for work. Like he sings. You could hire him if someone wanted a professional singer on their album or something. Like you could. I think he's that good. Okay, I guess then just do it. Just don't stop losing on time. I draw my bishop and my pawn. Wow. I think I can. No, you just gotta step out. Oh, this could be tricky, guys. No! I slipped! I resign. I slipped. Look what I had, guys. Look what I had. I freaking moved the wrong piece. Look, he played this blunder. I have check, and it's mate. And I set it up. This is forced. And dude, I have never done that before. I have never picked up the piece next to the piece I wanted to move. I had never, but I thought I was playing rook, and it's mating, guys. It's mating. Good game, dude. Yeah, but you know what? And I had 17. We both had 17. We have the same exact amount of time. I had mate, guys. I set the mate up. Oh my god, that is so painful. That is so painful. It burns like fire. It burns exactly like real fire. Yeah. So he did a live show. Like he set some kind of sub goal, and when he got there, didn't Ola beat me a game? When he got there, he hired a band, and it's going to be on his. Oh my god! How am I freaking blundering? I'm slipping, guys. I'm slipping real bad. With the mouse slips. C5. Wow, didn't see that. Didn't see it, guys. Dude, that was a good game, dude. Ola, that was a good game. Good game. Yeah, and so he hired a good band. When Horse was on D3, you had to fork like 3 moves. Did I really? That was in the last game. On the last game, I want to see it. For 3 moves. Oh, wait. Dude, I should never complain that chess.com that chess.com is promoting me, guys. Oh my goodness. When my knight was on D3, I had a forky dorky. Okay. Oh, this fork. Yeah, but this fork, it doesn't win a piece. I could get the bishop, if that's what you're talking about. Looking for the fork. No. I set the mate up. Checkmate. I'm telling you, can you imagine that? I moved a knight, but the knight happened to be next to the rook, and so I grabbed the edge, and I got the knight instead, and I went forward and put it here. That's the weirdest mouse slip ever. And I set this up, dude. I set this up. I knew it was mate. Yeah, good game, man. Good game. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna go make dinner. I think I'm gonna eat my. Let me show you. Wait, yeah, let me show you the pasta, guys. Well. Oh wait, no, I don't have pasta though. This is the last, guys. It's my own homemade red sauce pasta. And I had like 4, I made a bunch, and I ate a bunch that first day, and then I made like 4 or 5 of these. You just set them in the freaking freezer, and they freeze. And you know what's awesome, too? Well, this one actually doesn't because it wasn't on the bottom. The ones that are on the bottom, they get little ribs in them from the floor of the freezer, and then you can break them up real easy to thaw them out. But this is my great sauce, and I was gonna eat this for dinner, guys. I think I need to make. I mean, what's the point of the huge breaking news? We did something on this scene, and I'm probably gonna have to fix something, but like, yeah, this just needs this. Because like I show things here a lot of times and stuff. Yeah, I'll show you guys something on my phone or a guitar or something, right? It needs to be bigger. But this is my sauce, and now I don't have pasta. It's like, do I go buy some, guys? Do we go to the store? Is that not the weirdest mouse slip ever? Yeah. Dude, I think I'm going to show it one more time, and then... Yeah, that was the mouse slip. That was the mouse slip. And then I'm going to hit record on it. We're done doing that, so I can shut that off, and I can shut this off. Okay. I just did the weirdest mouse slip ever. Wait for it. Okay. I played Rookie 8, threatening checkmate. Checks me, I just need one move. And this is my move. So, I had way too much time to make a mouse slip. I should have never made a mistake. I go to grab the rook and shove it down because the knight covers a square for a forced checkmate in 2. Very simple, very simple. I, like a spaz, probably because I drank too much coffee, went to grab the rook and I grabbed the knight. And I moved it to that square. That is crazy to me. It's like, I'm not a great chess player. I'm 1664 1 minute. But how bad do you have to be to grab? Because I didn't like grab the knight and put it here and think it was mate. I thought I grabbed the rook. I was like probably coming this way. And then before I got to the rook, grabbed it and then continued on. You know what I'm saying? That is by far the craziest mouse slip I've ever done or ever seen. I put the wrong it's crazy. It wasn't a blunder. I did not think, oh, this is mate. No, I thought I had the rook. Crazy. Yeah. You just need flour, water, and eggs. You can make pasta in 10 minutes. Flour, I don't have flour. I do have water and eggs, but I don't have flour. Yeah. That would actually be really fun, but I don't have time because I got a gaming stream later. But you say you can make it in 10 minutes? I can look and see if I have flour. How long does flour go bad? I know flour can last a long time, but I don't think it can last as long as... If I have flour, it can't last as long as... like, you know... in a cool, damp place, but it's not locked in a like an airproof thing. It's just in the bag, in the flour paper thing. We might have used it to fry up some stuff 8 years ago, maybe 7 years ago. Probably not 6 years ago. 7 or 8 years ago. That's probably not smart to eat that. Am I right? How do you tell? How do you check? It happens, man. Yeah, right. It happens. It happens, but moving a piece and thinking I got it to the square and letting it go and having it drop here, that's a mouse slip, right? Moving my cursor from this side and thinking I grabbed the rook and doing this in an instant, pretty rough. That sounds awesome. Save me a bite. 7 years. This is not medical advice, but maybe 7 years might be pushing it. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Guys, I freaking love you guys. Twitch, we're gonna raid somebody because people raid us. We are this raid is gonna get us within our world record, guys. Let me get this raid going. Let me see. Raid channel. Guys, I need 100 raids with 2 or more people. Well, we always have over 2 or more people. Study day, Lena Sless, chess and English, 29 viewers. Study day. Playing chess, scribble. Yeah, we'll just go with this one, man. We're just gonna go with this one. Starting a raid. I'm going with you guys on the raid, so please go with me on the raid, okay, Twitch? Because I am going with you. YouTube, I freaking love you guys, man. Hit sub on the way out. Goodbye. All my multiple YouTube channels, love you. Hit sub on the way out. Goodbye. End it. End my life. Not my life, end my freaking stream.